Hey YouTube, how's it going? Welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. And today, because it's National Garage Day, okay, I don't know if any of you guys know that. I just found out myself today that today is actually National Garage Day. So, on that note, I figured, hey, you know what? Let's do a video in the garage. So anyways, what I'm working on today is actually my pistol for my sandblasting cabinet. Okay, and what happened was when I put the valve, the quick connect on it, it cracked it. So now it leaks air, and I have shopped and shopped and shopped without, I know I can get it mail order, but I wanted to buy it at a local store. You know, keep your money with, you know, we like to keep our money in our local businesses, and could not find it. But then it dawned on me, okay, let me bring you in closer real quick. Look out, Betty. Dog's in the way. So, let me see if I can get this all adjusted right. Okay, so anyways, let me show you here. What I did, okay, is I saw plenty of videos to try to, I looked up videos on how to fix aluminum. If I could weld aluminum and all that and everything, and yes, there is. Okay, so what I did, like good old American boys do most of the time, you go to Harbor Freight. Okay, and I got the aluminum rods. Okay, so I got that. I don't know, I still got like half a thing of propane. All right, I hope that works. I don't know. We'll soon find out. And so we're going to try to weld this. And this is my first time doing this. I've never done it. Let's see what happens. All right. And so let me set the camera up a little different and we'll get started. Okay, so just another recap on what we're doing. As you can see right here, I've already grinded it. Okay, I'm going to take my welding rod and I'm going to try to weld this right here like that. Okay, that's where it leaks from. And what I did is I took some welding magnets and just went ahead and stabilized it. All right, and what happened was I was putting this little coupler air hose chingadera thing on it. I was putting it in there and it cracked it. So now I'm shit out of luck. But hopefully, from watching all the other guys on YouTube, hopefully I can accomplish this. And there's only one way to find out, and that's try it. All I got to lose is if I ruin it, I'll just have to go buy me another gun. And I'll just have to order it online because they're very rarely in the stores, I have found out. So let me put this back on the tripod and let's get started. All right, now, so from what I gather is we're supposed to heat up this, and then we can go ahead and put that welding rod on it. Okay. And hopefully I got enough gas in here still. They said it's supposed to heat up to like 700 or something like that, 750 degrees. I don't know. First time, trial and error. We'll see what happens. Okay. Maybe I'm using the wrong type. Oh, look there, it's melting. Okay, something's happening, but it ain't working the way I want it to. It's just clumping up like soldering iron stuff. Huh. What the heck? Okay, let's try that again. Hold on, let me clean this up and try it again. Something's not right. Okay, cause see, it just clumped up like soldering iron. So let me see if I could do something about that. Maybe I shouldn't have the flame on it for so long. Okay, let's try this again. All right. You guys tell me what I'm doing wrong, all right? Because I know some of you guys know what you're doing, because I sure as hell don't. Maybe I need to prep this a little better or something. Why is it not sticking? Look at that, it's just clumping up on me, man. What the hell? It's just not sticking. I even grinded it a little bit to get it to... look at that. It's just a big old clump of solder, looks like. Here. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna try maybe taking a file to it and cleaning that up again some more. I even cleaned it with acetone. Yeah, so let me see if I can clean it up some more. Give it something to hold on to. I don't want to grind too much because it's kind of a thin wall. You know, it's not that thick right there, so let's see what we can do. Or maybe this isn't hot enough. Maybe that could be the reason. Well, let's find out. I'll heat this up a little bit more. So unfortunately, I ran out of space in my camera. Well, on my phone, I ran out of space. And while I was off camera, here's what I did. Clumped it all in there. Said, you know what, just pile it on and let's see what happens. So we're going to see what happens. I got a little frustrated, so I just said, you know what, I'm going to pile it on there, and hopefully, it ain't no professional job, but let's see what happens. Get my air hose here. Okay. Oh, you guys hear that? No, you don't, because I don't hear any air either. No leak. Holy moly. Let's see what we got. Okay, there's some bubbling, but it's actually from there. And I got, looks like a little bit inside. Okay. Way in the back. But you know what? I don't care. That's good enough for me. It'll do. Wow. It's actually holding. It's got a little bit right there. Right in here. Down in here. It's got a little bit of air still leaking. But I'm not going to sweat that. Okay. Looks like right there too, that little spot. Yep. I'm not gonna sweat it. It's holding air good enough to where I could use it. And until I get me another one. So here's the way it is. Alright. So here's what I got to say about these aluminum rods, okay, from Harbor Freight. Alright. I could not do it. They're good, okay. After a while of messing with it and all that and everything, I kind of figured out what I needed to do. Unfortunately, trying to get a weld inside something like this is not my forte. So all I did is I just piled it in there and hoped for the best. And yeah, it's got another leak in there, you know, but very minimal, very minimal. But it is good enough for me to use it in my cabinet until I get me a new one. Okay, so here's what I got to say. Those welding rods, they're good. They're good. I mean, you know, obviously I'm not, like I said, I'm not a welder and all that, but I'm gonna try and practice with them. I'm gonna try and learn how to actually use them. Okay. And I'm gonna just, like I said, yeah, just try, you know, practice makes perfect, like they say, you know, practice. That's what I have left of one rod. But how else am I going to learn, right? How else am I going to learn if I don't try by trial and error to fix something? Okay, look, let me see. Here we go, right there. Trial and error, but it's going to serve my purpose. And I'm just going to practice, work on it. Looks good to me. It'll serve my purpose. And I know I'm rambling on and repeating myself, so I'm going to go and end this. And maybe I should, once I hook it back up to my cabinet, go ahead and do a review, or not a review, but do a small video to show you guys how good it's holding up, if it's holding up. Okay, so anyways, you know what, enough rambling. You saw what I did. It looks like shit, but it's serving my purpose. So anyways, y'all have a good day, especially on this National Garage Day. Thank you everybody for subscribing. We'll be getting back on the truck here in a few days, hopefully. And in the meantime, y'all just have a good day, and subscribe and like and all that good stuff on my videos if you want. If not, no sweat. And y'all have a good day now. God bless.